Another issue, how to determine this question, okay, for your research. This is another important part. Let me clear one thing. If you set your research objective, it is also enough for your research. Like for engineering, for science, okay, setting objective is enough. Just for example, okay, my research objective is to develop a system, security system for, okay, car. To develop a security system for car, this is objective. It's fine. But if you set okay, the question, it is also okay, no problem. Okay. So research question, hypothesis, these are basically for the social sciences and education researches. Am I right? So as we have students from multi-disciplinary background, like we have students from economics, we have students from engineering, we have students from science background as well. So in this lecture, we are covering the general okay, pathway. Okay, because this lecture will be also viewed by the general audiences in YouTube channel. And let me share you one good news. We should not wait to share the good news. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
We should not wait to share the good news. Alhamdulillah, though this lecture is totally, we are trying to complete in English, and we are sharing in our YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is B Researcher World Forum. But we have another channel. This is called B Researcher BD. This is for Bengali nation. And this is the good news. Can you see it?
Almost.
Yeah. This is 90,000 people already viewed the same lecture. But this is in Bengali, but the similar slide, almost the similar slide we are using. Am I right? So, alhamdulillah. So, be confident that, okay, you are learning the good contents. Am I right? Otherwise, this is not movie series. This is not, okay, telefilm series. Okay, am I right? Television series. This is the research lecture. And all the viewers are from the university or the research enthusiast or the education background. Am I right? So that's why it's really a motivating factor for me. Okay, that's why I am conducting this course again in English for the international audiences, inshallah. And we are uploading this lecture, BRWF, in our new YouTube channel. This is called B Researcher World Forum. This is for the international audiences. And here is the playlist. We are uploading this lecture as well, but it takes time to edit the videos. Sorry. It takes time to edit the videos. So it takes time to upload it. So this is the lecture you are hearing right now, also uploaded in our YouTube channel. So I am doing one kind of, okay, marketing as well. I am not from the marketing background. I know it's important to do marketing sometime. Am I right? Otherwise, people will not believe that, okay, this is important playlist or significant playlist. We have some time. Let's cover the first topic at least. Then we'll, okay, keep the rest of the thing in the next lecture because we have time, no problem. So determining the specific question is very important for your research because, when we define research, we have tried to define like this. Research is a systematic way to finding answers to questions. Can you recall it? And can you recall it? Yeah. When we are defining research, we said that research question is the central of research. A good research question,
yes,
research question forms backbone of a good research in which stands vital and revealing mysteries of nature and giving insight into the problem. That means if you can set a good research question, your research will be very strong. Okay, this is the foundation of research. If there is no research question, there is no research. Am I right? If there is no research of research, no objective of research, this is not a significant research. So you must have to set a strong research question and a strong objective. So how to set, or what is the characteristics of research, good research questions? So the good research questions, it should be focused on a single problem or issue. You cannot solve everything with the single research. Am I right? Okay, I am going to design a security system for car, for computer, for mobile, for okay, laptop, for just for example, household appliances. Is it possible to do a single system and it will work on everything? Okay, no. So you have to be focused on a single subject or single issue. Then it should be researchable. Understood? Just for example, I already mentioned it. Okay, I want to develop a food delivery system, online food purchasing system, where I will pay online and I will get the taste of the food directly from the mobile. Okay, I am trying to do research on such a topic. Is it possible? I am submitting online order and I am getting the food directly from the laptop or mobile. Maybe in future it will possible, but it is not possible using the current primary or secondary sources. Am I right? So it should be feasible, researchable, or most similar thing. Just for example, you have said a research topic which requires 10 years, but your PhD need to be done within 4 years. Your master should be done within 2 years. Your bachelor should be done within the final 1 year. That means the final year. So it should be feasible in the time frame as well, and specific. It should be specific. That means we will go, for example, inshallah, and it should be complex. Not you should not set research question like that. It can be answered yes or no. Can I conduct online class? Okay, it is the research question. Am I right? Can I conduct online class? Yes or no? This is not research question. How can I conduct online class effectively? This is the research question. Do you understand the difference? It should be complex. It should be complex. Okay, should not be straightforward, and it should be relevant to your field of the study or society, or field of study or society more broadly. You are doing something which should be beneficial for your study or for your society. Okay, am I right? So let me show you something that is very important. So how to determine research question? Again, the similar thing. You have to choose a broad topic. Then you have to do some preliminary reading to find out the topical debates and issues, what's going on a specific topic. That's why I suggest you to study a systematic literature review or a survey paper, and you will find the what already done, what has not been yet, what have not yet explored. You will find that discussion on the systematic literature review or review article or survey article. And you have to narrow down to a specific niche. As I am already discussing that you are trying to design a security system, and you have to select an area like you are designing security system for mobile, for laptop, for for car. Abdullah already select security system for car. You have to go for a specific niche, and identify a practical or theoretical research problem, and then you have to connect this thing with the practical or theoretical research. So maybe for security purpose, Abdullah can explore different algorithm, different techniques, different methods. He can work on theoretical issues. He can also work on the practical issues as well. So there are many ways to contribute in this field.